What's up guys, welcome back, how you all doing? Today we're gonna be doing really cool experiment with balloons. So for this experiment we will need obviously balloons, candle, some kind of a lighter and water. Okay, let's pop the air into the balloon. That size is enough. Alright, here we go. So now let's see how close I can get the balloon to the fire before it pops. Okay, check it out. Okay, let's check it closer. Well, let's pour some water into the balloon. And we don't even need a lot of water. Oops, this way. Okay, I think it's enough. Oops. And let's blow the balloon with air. About the same size that it was the other balloon. Alright, here we go. The water is inside, on the bottom. Okay? So watch this. See? I'm touching the flame. Look at this. And I can even move the balloon like this here. See? Nothing happening. Isn't that cool? Well, let's look at this closer. Isn't it amazing? Look at that. I'm actually touching the flame right here and nothing happening. Isn't that cool? I can even try to move the balloon. Look at this. And nothing happening. Let's see if I can put out the fire with the balloon. See that? Isn't it amazing, guys? So now my balloon is slowly losing air because when I put out the fire, I made a little hole here. Well, let me know, guys, what do you think about this experiment? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. For this experiment we will need obviously balloons, candle, some kind of a thing. Okay, let's blow the air into balloon. Oh, now watch this. Oh, that's weird. Well, isn't it amazing? So the one, oh, man, did it again.